You remember, when I was showing you how to create items, there were some drop-downs or quick lists coming. There were some certificates also coming, right? There were things. So I said that, what if my company says, okay, along with these things, I need more information. If I say I wanted to create an item, but the item should have another option called. If I go to or today's working fine. I can click right there. So, like this one, if I want to click on this and I want to add another drop-down, these things, if I want to add another locale, its language, how would I do that? You should know about the basics. Then only we will be able to complete the entire item. So I'm minimizing it and you go to references. Sorry, this reference. Okay, this reference is, you can say, one of the most important area where you will be working on a lot of things. Okay, why is that so? If you have to add anything like see manage levels. If you want to add more levels means a drop-down. Okay. If you have to add more locale, local level, local import and export. All these things can be done through this reference. So why reference is very important? Because the most of the additional information and basic settings you will be getting from the dash. Okay. Like, I want to create a new assignment type. I will go to this Manage User Learning and click on it. So, if you remember, when we were creating items assignment type, they were asking, what kind of assignment is this? So let me click on a random search. And if I search, where do you say? Let's say, we have mandatory. See, these are the mandatory fields which are mandatory trainings. What kind of assignment is this? Mandatory. You want to create another one, you will click on this and you'll be able to add it. So let me go and show you one. Like let's mandate. You're getting what I'm trying to say, right? I am creating items that when we are creating anything, so it's not like the fields which are already available, you just go and update. There are some custom fields. So, if you remember, when we were creating items, there were some custom fields also available. Yes. Right. So where do you do all the settings? We do most of the settings from the reference. So let it search. Meanwhile, I'll show you this in the system. So here I go and I see the mandatory assignment type. So automatically assignment type or new drop-down called mandatory is added. Okay. If I want to create another one, I will click on this Add New and I will add my assignment, whichever I want. Like I said, assignment type is mandatory. Okay. Description, if you want, you can do it priority. Stop. If this is required, of course, because this is a mandatory thing. I click on Add. Okay. So this is added. Now, if I go back, search result. Okay. I say mandatory. See, I have a mandatory. Okay. This is now a drop-down. So if I want to create a new assignment now, sorry item or anything for that matter. And if I go to an assignment type. Okay. This will make a search and this will be available here. Yeah. I thought I saw it. So like you see why mandatory, why it's mandatory, or something like this, if I go to assignment type I will see that. Are you getting me? The assignment type. How to add. Assignment type, why we need it. Because of course people will ask you a lot of times that mandatory. See why mandatory is an option. So we added, and this will be there just like this, if I want to create a new completion status. Okay. So I will just. If you click directly in search, all the levels will come. All the options that are available will come. If you want to create your own. Like, let's say, I will say 7. Complete. See completed. Failed to complete. All the which are related to completed will come. If I say exact. So exact means, when it says exact complete, only those will come. Complete, complete. That is what I wanted to show you other day. So this is how we create a new one. Now, if I create this one, how would I use this in the iPad, or anywhere for that matter? Not only in the iPad. Anywhere I go and I see option to completion status. I will see this. I say completion status. If I add something. Not showing. See, so this is how you will be able to add it. When you run any training, any item you complete. You see, you get a certification right. You get an automatic certification that you have completed it. So there, you will see, at the bottom, there will be some signature. Oh, okay, okay. There are some codes that we give okay, like this record, created by administrator. Under this signature, it will say that okay, administration. This is authorized or approved by the admin. Means. You are certified in this.